Good morning to all of you. Today, I'm going to explain the certificate course on the business corporate accountant. It's our new course. In this video, I am going to explain what is the course, what about all the modules covered in this program, why someone should join this program, what about the faculties, and what about the certificate. Might be every student need certificate from the government. Yes, this program would provide certificate from government as well. That will be the hard copy only after clearing the exam. Let me first discuss about the course. The business corporate accountant course is a skill-based and job-oriented course which is recommended for the candidate who aspire to build a successful career in the finance and account system. The certificate would be issued by Ministry of MSME, Government of India. There would be two certificates, one for GST, one for income tax, and it will be given after clearing the exams. The course will give the environment student to the accounting and financial management policies, prepare them with the best training environment in which they can learn the taxation, accounting and finance, Excel, export, import, foreign trade environment policies, etc. The course has been divided in the 6 different modules. The module 1 is income tax, module 2 is GST, module 3 has 2 parts. One is accounting and second is tally ERP. The fourth is advanced Excel, fifth is export import, and the last module 6 is the banking finance module. The duration of this program is 5 to 6 months. The next question will come, why someone should join this program? As discussed that these 6 modules will create skills in every segment. You are not only provided the theoretical provisions, you are also given the case study based assignment, wherein you will learn how to handle the practical environment, how to handle the practical case. So when you join this course, you can easily handle the actual work, even though you do not have the work experience, or you have the lesser experience, or you do not have the experience in a particular segment. For example, I am income tax, doing the income tax, but now I am changing the organization. Will I be able to handle the GST? Answer would be yes. Let's take another example. Sir, I have just completed BCom. If I join this course, would I be able to handle the work of the corporate? Answer would be 100% yes, because we will provide each and every segment, each and every module in so detail along with practical that you feel yourself that you are habitual to do the work. You are not feel that you are doing the work first time. Also, it will definitely help in terms of career growth. We will provide the recording. We will provide the recording by which, and within the time limit, you can watch multiple times. So you can revise your concept again and again. There will be no problem. About the faculties, for every module, the faculties would be the experience and having the industrial practical experience, so that you can be able to understand theoretically provision. Also, you will be able to learn the practical also, how the industry work, how the work is going on in the company in the actual environment. Faculties for this course is a group of chartered accountant, company secretary, cost accountant, advocates, etc. Yes, the certificate, there would be the total 4 certificate, 2 certificate for GST and income tax. The certificate would be from Ministry of MSME, hard copy after clearing the exams. 1 certificate for tally, and last certificate that would be issued by our organization for the complete program. I can definitely guarantee that you all are going to get a huge benefit. Even though you are fresher, or you are working in the organization, or you are stuck somewhere in the career, you like to enhance your career, this course is going to be very, very beneficial. Regarding the fees, any discount or any other question you are requested, please call to our team. You will get all the answer. Thank you so much.